Hey guys, it's me. So what is it called today? I made slime. So I made this over here, and e-calls buy this from Walmart. Like I didn't buy it. My sister did, and then like I thought I'm gonna like make it. So I tried to make it, and I did. So it looks like this. It's easy. You just have to like make slime, like one bowl of slime, and then one bowl, and then like you buy those white little things, like the white things on this, those white things, like from the dollar store or anything, and then like just mix it with it, and like yeah, it'll work. And if you guys want to know how to make slime, I'll do a YouTube video making slime, but I don't really have like everything to make slime, so yeah, it's like I'm not gonna be making slime like right now. Right now means like for now on I'm gonna just do a YouTube video. I'm gonna do it like next year or something. Not really next year, like yeah. So that's it. And guys, I know this is boring now, but yeah, I'm just bored right now, so I'm just gonna show you this I made. And it's really fun. You guys should really make it actually, because like it's really fun. And then like it's crunchy. It's crunchy sounds in it. And if it's hardened, get some water. Put 1 drop of water. Then like play with it again. Then I promise it's gonna stick back together again. Like this one. What does that look like? So it's more crunchier and really like more softer, and it smells bad. But it doesn't really smell bad, it's just it smells weird, not bad. Weird, I mean. And it was my birthday today, so wish me happy birthday. So it was my birthday, and yeah. It was actually really fun. I was gonna go to World Kingdom, but my dad didn't take me. I mean, my mom. So, or my dad, or anyone. I don't know who's gonna take me. So that's why I went to my sister's house and have more fun. Well, not my sister. She's my cousin, and I'm bigger than her. She's not. I'm 10. I'm just kidding. I'm 11. I'm just kidding. I'm 12. I have no idea how old I am, but I do. But I'm not gonna tell you guys. And I'm not 10 or 9 or 40 years old. I'm just kidding. Why am I reading that? Guys, literally, this is so soft. Wait, I'll show you guys. Look. Like, look. This is not slime, so that's why it should break apart. Don't worry, it'll break apart if you make it. I'll just fart. Ew. Like break a fart. Like what? I break a fart. That's weird. Like literally, guys, that's weird. Not lying. Everybody knows that. So, and I have more. It's just sticking all together in the container I put it into. And this is kind of stretchy, but not that much. This is one of them. Okay, so guys, do you see how this is hard right now? And it's sticking like on my hand because it's drying on. drying, and that's why. So this is what you do. It's complicated. Isn't it complicated? This is what you do. Add some water. Mix it in. Not that much, just if you know, don't have that much water, no. And then you'll see it work. Wait, I'm like pressing into it. When you like put it really close, you could hear something in it. It's like crunching, like something weird. Like it's a crunchy, but really weird crunch. It's a really weird crunch. A really weird crunch. And guys, go follow my cousin Sohana Craft. She's my cousin, and she's the best. And her sister. And go follow my aunt, I'll say, her mom. It's Samina Ali. On YouTube, just so you guys know. Yeah, on YouTube. And go follow the best people. Lazy Worst and Lance Stewart. They're both my favorite. I love their YouTubes. And this is like really crunchy right now. And softer. But I'll say between these two, this one's softer. This is complicated. I just added more water so it works better. There, that's better. It works better. It sounds better. And the crunchy sound is better. And the playing is funner. I really like this, guys. I really wish I could make it for you guys right now, but I can't because I don't have the things to make it right now because I wasted it. Just kidding. Yeah, I did. I'm not kidding, guys. One more to go. My last one. I have no idea what happened to this one. It's like, it's all weird. It's all acting weird. I have no idea what happened to this one. See, guys, this is all I have. It's falling everywhere. So soft. I feel like I want to eat it right now. I'm just kidding. Ew, no. But it really feels really soft. I wish you guys could touch it. Do you smell it, guys? Okay, let's smell it all together. Smell it, smell it. It smells horrible. Smell it, guys. Smell it. Bye-bye. I'm back. So, I'm gonna end this YouTube in a minute. This YouTube video. So, guys, you could also buy this from Walmart. I didn't buy mine. I did. First I bought one. Then I like copied and made it. Cause I didn't. I'm just kidding. I didn't. I'm always like that, guys. I'm like so big because I am. I'm putting it in. So I bought it, and then like now I'm putting it in. I bought it and then I threw the other one away. I just didn't throw it. I gave it to my sister and my cousin, and because she wanted it, and then I just had the container. Cause like I didn't really give it to her. She just stole it from me, like when she was here, and I know it was her because she steals my stuff. This is so sticky. Wait. So weird. So weird. Oh my god. Look at my. What the frona? What the frona? What the frona? I was actually really gonna say what the frina. Yeah, that's what's gonna say. What the frina? Frina. What the farina, guys? What the farina? Okay, bye. I'm gonna leave. Bye bye. See you later, I guess. Or tomorrow we'll do another YouTube video every day. Daily activate.